wanted to see if this new unit that I had 3D printed from the same person that did this for me, to see if this will fit in here. This is just a cleaner, a little more sleek look than the original. I think they're both cool, but this is just kind of a little bit sleeker. It's a little bit bigger, but again, very sleek. Let's see here, which one you would like better here. It's just a cleaner look. All right, I'll try installing and see how it goes. Hey guys, this initially for the Pelsee, it did not initially fit through, so I had to cut it and I had to pretty much Dremel it open here to create the space, because this is designed for the hand show, but I did get it to work. If you just otherwise want to do a little bit of Dremel work, you can get it done. I was able to get it done, and it looks like it does fit. I just have to kind of get it positioned right, and then we'll be good to go. There you guys go. I had to Dremel this to make it a little bigger. Again, this is for the Pelsee camera. In order to fit, I had to take this bracket off of the camera. So it's just a standalone camera like this, and that should now fit in there. The last step I'm doing is I'm adding the 3M tape onto this. Since this was 3D printed on the site I gave you, I'm going to add a 3M double-sided tape on here, and I'll go ahead and add it on. Alright guys, here's the final product. Looks like it's still working fairly well with that. Just have to kind of carve it out with the Dremel for the Pelsee. There it is. It's very, very sleek. Zoom a little closer. Again, I think it protects it really well there because it's inside. And again, it looks really sleek. Yeah, I like it, guys. I'll let you know how this goes, if there's any issues, but I think this is a winner so far. All right, everyone, thanks for watching.